Okay, awesome. Oh, hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day or a wonderful night. So today's video is just going to be a normal vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So without further ado, let's just get to the video. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh, hi Jade. You're so cute. I love it when you laugh. Oh no, why did you cry? Why are you crying, Jade? Why are you crying? Okay, I think she's hungry, so let's go get her a bottle of milk. Always happens. Okay, let's just make a bottle of milk for her. And I'll also make a cup of coffee for myself. Because I am very sleepy. Let's test the milk. Okay, it's good. Here you go, Jade. I think she's okay with it. Ooh, oh, she loves it. Okay. Now I can drink my coffee. Weather forecast, coffee, the best. Oh. Wait, does the weather forecast say there's a huge snowstorm in our neighborhood? I need to go tell Levi. Levi! Oh, what's wrong? A huge snowstorm is about to hit our house. Our neighborhood. Wait, what? Yeah, the weather forecast said. What do we do? Do we have food? We have plenty of food in the house already. Okay, I reckon we should eat food and make food early so that we can risk having to eat in the dark. Because the power can go out. That is true. I'll go make dinner now. How about that? Yeah. And I'll go with the kids. I'll stay with the kids. Yeah, that's better. Thank you. So I don't really know what I'm gonna cook. I think I'm just gonna do a transition. Yeah, no, I'm doing a transition. Bam. Okay, finally. Dinner is ready. Come on, fam. Dinner time. Oh my gosh, Mom, we're so hungry. You don't know how hungry we are, Mom. That's good. Yummy. Oh, this food is great. I know. Even Jade likes to love this milk, even though this is the 10th bottle of the day. Mom, how do you know how to take care of a baby like that? Probably because I take care of 4 of you. 12. Okay. We're getting tired. Maybe we'll watch a movie? Yeah, we can all talk together. That sounds like a great idea, Mom. Yeah. Gonna have some family time. Yeah, that would be great. Oh my gosh, that was so loud. What was so loud? Thunder outside. Oh, I really hope it doesn't cause a power outage. Oh no, please don't say power outage. Please. Let's just go have some family time. Oh my gosh, Mom, I am not going to call my ex-boyfriend. What do you mean? I never said that. You are saying it literally in front of me. So, are you excited for prom? Yeah, kind of. Really? Kind of? Prom comes once in your life, Nora. Yeah, your mom's right. Should enjoy prom. I don't know. Have you asked anyone out yet? I've asked Jake. Well, I haven't asked anyone out. I'm going out with my boyfriend Jake. You mean James? Oh my gosh, yeah. Don't cry, Jade. It's okay, don't cry. Okay, that's good. Where are we? Prom. Please don't talk about prom. We are gonna. You look so beautiful without your glasses, kiddo. You look stunning. All the spotlight would be on you on prom day if you go without your glasses. How do I see? Like how you're seeing now. What do you mean? You're not wearing your glasses. Wait, are you wearing my glasses? No, you're not. Oh my gosh, I didn't know I was wearing my glasses. Jeez, oh my gosh, I'm so jealous. I was supposed to wear it. You look good without it. It looks like you can see without it. I don't know. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to always be beautiful and amazing. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, please.